Morning all. So this video is about 28 marks which you can easily gain in GATE 2021. So you know that GATE 2021 is being conducted by IIT Bombay this year, and they have allowed third year students also to write the exam. So of course third year students, they might not have finished the entire course by this time, but they will finish the mathematics coursework. So this 13 plus 15. So mathematics is for 13 marks, mathematics, and we have 15 marks general aptitude. 15 marks is for general aptitude. So, and usually the cutoff for all the branches will be ranging from 25 to 30 marks. And sometimes it will go up to 35 marks based on the difficulty. So, and out of this 28 marks will be very easy. So if you study this 28 marks and then some two other subjects, then you can easily think of cracking the exam, getting a qualification. So this is suitable for electrical, EC, mechanical engineering, instrumentation, civil engineering, computer science, and information technology. So I have designed this in such a way that it's suitable for all the branches, and this 28 marks be a sure shot for all the branches, and especially for third year students who can give a fairly good try regarding this. Now coming to the syllabus, of course we have some difference in the syllabus, but it is common for all. So we will be having multiple select questions as well as multiple choice questions and numerical ability type question. So multiple select question means these questions will have more than one correct answer. So multiple select question means there will be more than one correct answer. You see, we have 13 marks, and in that we will get multiple select questions. So, and that will be without negative marking. And numerical ability type is also without negative marking. Only the multiple choice questions, they have the negative marking. Okay. So the syllabus of probability is like we will go through sampling theorem, conditional probability, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, random variables, discrete and continuous distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution, binomial distribution, correlation analysis, and regression analysis. So this is what I have designed, is considering the probability syllabus for all the branches and electrical engineering in particular. So these are the topics. So I will be covering this is just like a crash course. So my idea will be like, I will be providing short videos based on previous year questions, and then I will be teaching the theory as well as making you do the previous year questions. And this is regarding linear algebra. This is matrix algebra will be there. Then that is a characteristic equation, finding the rank, then eigenvalue. This eigenvalue and eigenvectors is very important. Considering the examination point of view, this is very important. Now coming to the calculus portion, we have mean value theorem, limits and series expansion, integral and differential calculus, maxima and minima. So these are the areas which I will be focusing, because calculus there are some other portions also, but these are sure shots. I have analyzed the IIT Bombay previous year questions, and they usually ask more from these areas, and these areas not only IIT Bombay, but usually it's a gate question, short gate areas. And let's see how they're going to ask. And this is from differential equation. We'll be going through the basics, then homogeneous, non-homogeneous, variable separable. Some important and very good questions I will make you do, which we have seen in the earlier like previous year gate questions. I will be analyzing the previous year questions, and based on that I will be doing that. Then another topic is the numerical method topic, but this is not common for all. Numerical methods, electrical, they don't have it in their syllabus. Instrumentation, they do have. So non-linear differential, I will be covering some topics which on only gate point of view. This is a crash course only for gate. And then vector calculus, there will be basics, differential vector calculus, integral vector calculus, all these areas will be These are the variants which I will be teaching first because of its importance. Then the complex variable, that is basic differential integral, Cauchy's integral, some analytic functions, all these areas we will cover when we come to the complex. So this is the syllabus in detail. So linear algebra means we have matrices, systems of linear equation, eigenvalue, eigenvectors. Calculus means mean value theorem, evaluation of definite and improper integrals, partial derivatives, maximum. So all these portions I will be covering. You will be getting video lectures and I will be covering, and I will be making you do previous year questions. I'll be making you do previous year questions and some good questions also. So then a differential equation, first order equation, higher order equation, constant coefficient, methods, variation of parameters, Cauchy's equation, methods of separation of variables, very important, such areas. Then coming to complex variable, as I mentioned, analytic, Cauchy. So this is the exact syllabus published by IIT Bombay. So usually probability and statistics, they ask you around 3 to 4 marks they ask, and then when it comes to complex variable, you usually get 2 to 3 marks. Then differential equation is very important, 3 to 4 marks. Calculus also usually 3 to 4 marks, and linear algebra also 3 to 4 marks. And these are very easy and very scoring areas, whether you can, and actually, usually these will make the rank difference. Okay, and then come to analytic, Cauchy complex variables means analytic functions, Cauchy's integral, probability and statistics, sampling theorem, like same thing which I mentioned, which I have mentioned earlier also. And this is in case of variables, numerical methods. Actually, this is only for IEEE branch don't have this. Matrix inversion, solution of nonlinear algebraic equations, iterative methods, such areas. So I will be starting with probability and statistics and then moving on to linear algebra. So after finishing both the sections, we'll move on to calculus and then differential equation and then complex variable. And towards the end, we will go for the numerical methods. Okay. So be ready with a notebook, at least pens of 3 colors, a scale, like a red pen, a black pen, and a highlighter. There are scale. And be ready with Ready to Crack GATE 2021. Thank you.